Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great and you are watching Dr. Subhisani Dental Series and Medical Videos channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the most important part regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling as well as for the NEET MDS 2023 aspirant regarding the Tamil Nadu state. Yes. Regarding the previous year analysis, today we are going to talk about the list of the candidates along with their ranks and everything for the postgraduate course, that too in the dental and that too the government quota seat last rank in Tamil Nadu in NEET MDS 2022. That means in the previous year at which rank the seat is over regarding the government quota seat in Tamil Nadu, so that we can get an idea at which marks or at which rank the government quota seats in Tamil Nadu will get over, right? So today it's my humble request, if you are new on my channel, to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. And don't forget to watch this video till the end. Along with that, if you are a NEET MDS aspirant and you want a benefit and the guidance and everything related to you can say a full system support in the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, don't forget to join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling, and for that you need to drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or even you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen as a sweet gesture, and then you can ask for the link, register yourself and join in just 5 minutes. So I hope if you haven't checked out this video, then also you can check out. In that video I have already told you about the benefits of this WhatsApp group in the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Definitely it is the fastest mode of information as well as the discussion, that too with the aspirants all over India. Now back to the topic, let's see at which rank last year the government quota seats got over in Tamil Nadu state, and that too in NEET MDS 2022 counseling. Last rank, that too with the backward classes, with having the marks of nearly about 313 and the rank is nearly about 601, will got the OP, and that too in the Sri Mom Kambika Institute of Dental Sciences, right? That is in Tamil Nadu with the backward class. On the other hand, another candidate which is the ST candidate with the marks of nearly about 288 got the clinical branch, that is the parodontology branch, that is in the JKK Natrahaja Dental College and Hospital. By the SC candidate with the marks of nearly about 299 can get the oral pathology and oral microbiology seat, that too in the Tamil Nadu only. Now with the marks of 326, the candidate got the seat in Tamil Nadu, and that too the endodontics branch, that is the MDS branch in endodontics in Tamil Nadu Government Dental College and Hospital, Chennai. That too with the marks of 326, which is the SC category. So you can see where you stand and you can see at what marks you will get the government seat, clinical branch as well as the non-clinical branch. Here is another criteria or the category, that is the SCA, with the marks of nearly about 330 got the parodontology, that is the clinical branch in the CSI College of Dental Sciences and Research, Madurai. Another category, that is the BCM, right? Backward class minority, marks of nearly about 456 got OS branch in the Tagore Dental College and Hospital, Chennai. That too, this is the list of all the government seats, that is with the last rank of the government seats or government quota seats in Tamil Nadu of last year of counseling. so that you can get an idea about it. This one having the community of MBC and DNC with the marks of nearly about 476 is having the last clinical branch, that is periodontology, and that too in the RVS Dental College and Hospital, Sulur in Tamil Nadu. All about the last rank of the government quota seats, that too in Tamil Nadu state, and that too the previous year analysis, that is the NEET MDS 2022 counseling. So this will give you an idea that where you stand with the marks and which branches you are able to get. A 10 plus minus will definitely there in the upcoming counseling sessions, that is the NEET MDS 2023. Till then, there is no official notification regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, but yes, on the other hand, there are few state notices are out. So for that, you can join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling and stay tuned with my channel. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.